Magsafe is one of Apple's most versatile and popular tools for their devices, offering a wide range of use. From wallets to battery packs and various accessories, MagSafe enhances the iPhone experience. Since I rarely remove my MagSafe battery pack from my iPhone, I began exploring ways to boost its functionality by making it more modular. This is where stackable gadgets can truly add value. The ability to stack and combine different accessories is where MagSafe truly shines, so I'm surprised that manufacturers haven't explored this feature to its full extent. If you own a MagSafe battery pack and a wallet, you might have noticed that MagSafe typically only supports one accessory at a time. Currently, only a few brands like Moft and OtterBox have created stackable MagSafe battery packs that technically allow other MagSafe accessories to stack on top. However, for those who don't own those or are seeking a better option compatible with the new Qi2 charging standard, neither option is ideal since there are no new Qi2 battery packs that are stackable. After recently picking up the ESR Geo wallet, which functions as both a wallet and a kickstand, I started thinking about how could I stack my MagSafe battery pack along with my wallet. This is where a universal magnet kit like this one from ESR or any other similar kit proves very useful. While it may not be the most practical or visually appealing solution, I appreciate its core functionality, making this DIY mod for my MagSafe wallet quite worthwhile. My idea here is simple. Since there isn't a convenient way to stack MagSafe accessories, I can attach a MagSafe magnet kit on the back to keep that capability. This setup allows me to keep my MagSafe battery attached without having to remove it each time that I want to use my wallet. While upgrading MagSafe functionality with a wallet attachment is a cool idea, it's not always practical. The magnetic connection can be a bit weak, especially if you try to use the wallet as a finger grip for filming. It tends to lose its stability due to the extra weight. However, when used simply as a wallet, it feels more solid and reliable. This setup shines when watching videos or shows during your lunch break. The battery pack and kickstand hold firmly, making it easy to set up anywhere. It also works great on a nightstand as a clock stand when it's in standby mode, providing stability and easy viewing access.